it's time to play with knives again, isn't it? Always cut away from yourself, isn't it? Oh, whittle away. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying it all with, you know, you should always try something different. How about where's a pencil? Oh, a munted pencil, here we go. Let's just have a peer here. What about there? What about there? And then we sort of connect those up a bit like that. Oh, I'm doing it the hard way. Oh, sorry, I wasn't even in frame there. Oh, that's alright. And for now. Is that in frame? Yeah. Have to keep on moving. First cut is the deepest. There we go. Right, because we're going to sand this down in a minute, but I just want to get the preliminary. Of course, it's 101.3 FM. Voice, oops, let's get back in the frame. Voice of Heaven. The heavens? No? Voice of the Heaven. York, Western Australia. You can get it online. You can go to the website. Actually, I think I put a link somewhere. Just look up York 101.3 FM. Volunteer radio station. So it's great. All the people giving their time to bring good shows. You can ring them up and make requests too. So you don't ring them up too much. Not that I know anyone to do that. I'm going to shout out to some of the announcers now. G'day. Bob, Joe, Chris, Frenchie, lovely Leslie Ann. There's Gracie B, of course. There's Hayden, there's George, there's Dr. John, and of course, Terry. I've probably forgot one or two because I'm playing with knives and I don't really want to be thinking about radio announcers. And oh, and of course, Danny Danae. Once again, alright, that's really rough, just as long as I sand that. Anyway, support your local radio stations if you can. Tune out of mainstream media and go to local. I can see that glue is just not going to work. I'm going to really regret using that spray adhesive. Maybe I should have gone PVA. Maybe I should have gone to the hardware shop and bought some contact cement. Never mind, I'm having fun. How about you? You still watching? Right, bye for now.